You know, it's a line I've used often whenever I find a gullible audience in Bombay, but I'll use it again, which is that I've maintained for many years that Bombay and Delhi are different sovereign republics, which don't talk to each other because, Excellency, my apologies for saying this, but you will understand, because these two have not yet established diplomatic relations. But now I think sometimes Bombay and Delhi talk, and that is in Jet Airways business class between Delhi and Bombay. That's not enough. So Adda was an idea that started like you would, you know, it's an interesting idea to get people together and party and talk about everything in general. But it then evolved into this concept. The idea is to get someone from Delhi to come and talk to Bombay and someone who Bombay knows well to come and talk to Delhi. Now, Arun, he's leader of the opposition in Rajya Sabha. He's been a member of Rajya Sabha for a long time, but he was a minister. He's been minister for I&B, disinvestment, law and company affairs, you name it, commerce, not environment. Sadly, future finance. No, well, you're stealing my line. In India, we don't have a shadow cabinet system. But if we did have a shadow cabinet system, then there is no, I know Mr. Yashwant Sinha will forgive me for that, but because, you know, also why should he be finance again? He should look at the prime ministership now. If there was a shadow cabinet, Arun would be the finance minister. But really, most importantly, someone like Arun should be coming and speaking to Bombay, not once in a few months, but at least once a month. And you people should be going to see him. So I'm grateful to all of you. I know I've seen the enthusiasm about Arun. Arun, whenever I said the next guest is Arun Jaitley, everybody said, wow. It was quite like the response I got in Delhi when I told people the next guest is Vidya Balan. So you've done all right.